Want to boost your brand visibility? With Betafit's in-house PrintPro service, you can have your logo professionally printed onto our safety helmets. Fast, durable, and built to last the helmet's lifetime. We use advanced pad printing technology for a crisp, fade-resistant finish, perfect for tough environments. Choose your helmet, send us your high-res logo, and we'll handle the rest with fast proofing and quick turnaround. Up to 4 colours, 4 print positions, it's branding made simple. Getting started is easy. Choose your helmet, logo position and size, email your high-res logo and Pantone refs to printpro@betafit.com, approve the proof file we send you, place your order using the unique code we provide. We'll create and store your print plates for future use. Simple, professional, printed by Betafit.